This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the prerequisites, verified email and your phone for two-factor authentication. Once done, open the Onramp app and pick personal or business so settings match your goals. Next, make sure you allow location and camera access. The app uses them for identity verification. You'll be prompted to scan an ID and take a selfie. Follow the on-screen framing guides. This first sequence saves time later and prevents verification rejections, so complete each step carefully before moving on. Once your account is verified, link a funding source. Choose Bank ACH for lower fees or card for instant buys. You'll set the deposit amount and decide whether to convert to crypto immediately or hold fiat. Make that choice based on fees and timing. Then configure notifications and withdrawal limits to match your risk tolerance. Make sure you review the fee breakdown and expected settlement times so you aren't surprised. If you need recurring buys, schedule them now to automate dollar cost averaging. You're ready to execute. Open the Trade tab, enter amount, check price and fee summary, then confirm the order. Once placed, monitor settlement status in the activity feed and rely on notifications for success or holds. If a transaction is blocked, first recheck KYC completion and that camera/location permissions weren't revoked. Next, confirm your funding source has cleared and isn't flagged by your bank. If issues persist, restart the app and retry the final step. Contact support with the activity ID if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.